Purasolve Rotary Parts Washers are ideal for cleaning parts quickly and efficiently without the need for dangerous solvents. These units have been designed with power, time and overall cost savings in mind. The fully enclosed cleaning process includes a rotating basket with high-pressure jets to effectively clean parts without wasting production time. Different length wash cycles can be set depending on the degree of grime buildup. Our Purasolve Rotary Parts washing powder is a non-toxic heavy-duty powder designed to remove tough grease and soils with the added benefit of increasing wastewater compliance. The recommended temperature setting is between 40 to 45 degrees Celsius. This low temperature enables power savings of up to 40%. Purasolve Rotary Parts washers include standard features such as fully insulated 240-volt power control box, heat and power illumination panel, cycle timer, insulated cabinet, top hood lock, top, side and bottom spray jets, inbuilt oil skimmer. All Purasolve Rotary Parts washers are available on our fully serviced rental program or outright purchase. Why not inquire today to see how we can improve your workshop efficiency? Call 1-800-777-580.